Hey guys, today we're going to talk about the AmorePacific Treatment Enzyme Peel. This is the 1.7 ounce size, I believe. Or I'm sorry, this is the 2.46 ounce size. 2.46. Which I didn't realize when I got this that it came in so many different sizes. It's kind of incredible to me that it's even offered in that many sizes because I saw that this exact product is sold in a 0.2 ounce size, which is so crazy. That must be the cutest little bottle ever. It's probably, I think it would be like about this big. But let me see, that in milliliters that would be, or in grams, it's 70 grams. This is 70 grams. Because it's not a fluid. I know, right? It's not a fluid. You would think, because this is a skin cleanser, that it comes as a fluid, but it's actually not. And another misconception is that this is a exfoliator, which it also does not claim to be an exfoliator. I've definitely worked with other enzyme products that were considered cleanser slash exfoliators. This is not one. This is something that is so gentle. It's considered a daily cleanser if you would like for it to be. It doesn't have an expiration date listed, but it does say this product was made in Korea. I don't know if this comes in a plastic container, like what kind of plastic this would be considered. It doesn't tell me that either. It doesn't feel like your typical plastic, so definitely something to look into if you're someone that's very sensitive to plastics. But this product is dermatologist tested, and let me tell you a little bit how I actually found out about this product. Basically, I was in a Sephora looking for products for my naturally combination, super dry, acne prone, sensitive skin. I wasn't even looking for a cleanser. I was just looking, I think it was for a moisturizer. And the woman at Sephora poured a little bit of this into a container, a little sample container, and told me, you don't need anything else, just try this, just try this. So I was like kind of taken aback because I've never even heard of the brand AmorePacific before, ever. And I was kind of concerned with, like, why are you trying to pump this product at me? Like, it must be really good, I guess. They, I guess, do not offer this at every Sephora either. So I did go into other Sephoras looking for this, and they were like, what are you talking about? Which was a little bit embarrassing. But I came home, I took they call it a dose, because basically you take this nice cap off, which, the cap, by the way, is a little confusing. I have no idea what this nodule is for. I don't know why it's there. No idea. Like, if I could figure that out, that would be great, but I definitely don't know. But it comes, like, there's this little yellowish powder that comes out of here, and you just, before you use this product, it tells you to prime it, so to invert the bottle, meaning, like, turn it upside down for, like, a minute and then turning it back. But after that, when you're just, going to use it, you can just basically pour this straight upside down into your hand, and it comes out like a, banana yellow powder. And it gives you an exact measured dosage of this powdered product, which is kind of unique, that it somehow can stop pouring powder. Like, you would think it would just pour all the powder out onto your hand. Wrong. It pours an exact measured quote-unquote dosage into your hand so that you can use the exact right amount every time. And I don't even do that. I actually have saved a lot of this product by just pouring out a tiny bit because I don't even need the full dose. But what you're supposed to do is you take a little bit of this enzyme powder in your hand and you mix it with a little bit of water. And once you kind of rub it together, then you put it on your face in a paste and kind of rub it around like you would any other cleanser or, even exfoliator for that matter. Then it starts to kind of get a little bit sticky. I should note, the front of the bottle does say that it's a botanical exfoliator, but it was never marketed to me as an exfoliator. It's something you can use. It's so gentle, you can use it twice a day. So it's more of a cleanser than anything, and I have used it in place of a cleanser. But someone described, cleansers and exfoliators to me as, if like a traditional scrub with either ground up seeds or those kind of microdermabrasion beads, those little man-made beads, if that's like a truck that pushes the bricks, if the stuff on your face is bricks, those types of scrubs kind of push the bricks around, and this kind of scrub, which is an enzyme, think of it as melts the bricks off of your face. So that means that instead of having to use, abrasive scrubbing to get the dead skin off your face, you don't really have to work this stuff in so hard, and it will literally melt away the top layer of your epidermis, which I know might sound dangerous, but believe me, this is so gentle. Anyone could use it. I couldn't imagine anyone having a bad reaction to this stuff. I have the most reactive, sensitive skin. The first time I used it, I was truthfully completely blown away. The woman who sold it to me made such a big deal about it that I was like, there's no way it'll live up. It did. It made my skin feel so baby soft for like 2 days straight. I couldn't believe it. And it's great because it lasts so long. You can't really see through the bottle, unless you're holding it directly up to a light. But this product, it lasts forever, especially if you don't just use the quote-unquote recommended dose every time. You can afford to use less, and it's not going to make the product work any less. As far as ingredients listed, there are none listed, so we can just assume that this is a quote-unquote papaya enzyme peel. So that's kind of neat. I know there's other enzyme peels that use papaya, but I've never seen one that was just strictly papaya. And anything that's kind of a higher vitamin C concentration, like a fruit or citrus of any kind, is going to be incredible for your skin. But I want to say really quick that I have put this in my carry-on bag and never had a problem. I don't know if you would have a problem with it, so definitely check your airline policy, but I've never had a problem because it's not a liquid. So it's, in that way, it's kind of a really great powdered cleanser for travel. You just mix it with water, you rub it on your face, and 30 to 45 seconds is what they recommend, and you're going to be dealing with the smoothest skin ever. Just make sure that you get a good concentration of powder to water ratio, otherwise it's just going to either fall on the ground, the powder's just going to fall out of your hands, or you're going to add so much water that just runs out of your hands. So make sure you get a good paste going before you apply it. I couldn't recommend this product higher. I hope you enjoyed this video. This is the AmorePacific Treatment Enzyme Peel in the 2.46 ounce size. There are, several other sizes available. Couldn't recommend it higher. Hope you enjoyed this review. Thank you so much for watching.